Compound interest is a financial concept that plays a crucial role in the world of investing, saving, and borrowing. It is a powerful force that can either work for you or against you, depending on whether you are an investor or a borrower. In essence, compound interest allows your money to grow exponentially over time, and understanding how it works is essential for making informed financial decisions. Here's a detailed explanation of how compound interest works. Principal amount. Compound interest starts with an initial sum of money, called the principal. This can be a lump sum of money you invest or deposit in a savings account, or it can be the original amount you borrowed, such as a loan or credit card balance. Interest rate. The interest rate is the percentage of the principal that you earn or owe as interest. This rate is typically expressed as an annual percentage, such as 5%, 7%, or 10%. It can vary depending on the type of financial instrument or the terms of the loan. Compounding period. Compound interest is calculated periodically, and the frequency of these calculations is referred to as the compounding period. Common compounding periods include annually, semi-annually, quarterly, monthly, and daily. The more frequent the compounding, the faster your money will grow or debt will accumulate. Accumulation of interest. In the first period, the interest is calculated based on the initial principal amount. However, in subsequent periods, interest is calculated based on the total balance, which includes both the principal and any previously earned interest. This is where the magic of compound interest comes into play. Impact of time. Time is a critical factor in compound interest. The longer your money is allowed to compound, the more significant the effect on your savings or debt. Time has the power to turn a modest initial investment into substantial wealth or a small loan into a significant financial burden. Positive feedback loop. The concept of compound interest creates a positive feedback loop. As interest accumulates, the interest earned in each compounding period is added to the principal, which leads to more interest earned in the subsequent period. This compounding effect accelerates the growth of your investment or the accumulation of debt over time. Investing. For investors, compound interest is a friend. It allows your investments to grow faster as your earnings generate even more earnings. This can be seen in various financial products like savings accounts, certificates of deposit, stocks, bonds, and retirement accounts. Borrowing. On the flip side, compound interest can be an enemy for borrowers. The longer it takes to pay off a loan or credit card balance, the more interest accumulates, making the debt more challenging to eliminate. High interest rates and long repayment terms can lead to substantial interest costs. There are several excellent books that delve into the concept of compound interest and its application in personal finance and investing. Here are some highly regarded books on the topic. The Richest Man in Babylon, by George S. Clason. This classic book uses parables set in ancient Babylon to teach financial wisdom, including the power of saving and investing wisely to benefit from compound interest. The Compound Effect, by Darren Hardy. This book focuses on the principle of the compound effect in various aspects of life, including finances. It offers practical advice on making small, consistent changes that lead to significant results over time. The Millionaire Next Door, by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. While not solely about compound interest, this book examines the habits and lifestyles of wealthy individuals, emphasizing the importance of saving, investing, and living below your means. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing, by John C. Bogle. Written by the founder of Vanguard Group, this book advocates for passive index investing and provides insights into the long-term power of compound interest through low-cost, diversified investments. The Millionaire Fastlane, by M.J. DeMarco. This book discusses the concept of building wealth quickly and emphasizes the importance of understanding compound interest, particularly in the context of entrepreneurship and investing. Your Money or Your Life, by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. This book focuses on transforming your relationship with money and includes discussions on saving, investing, and the power of compound interest in achieving financial independence. The Little Book of Value Investing, by Christopher H. Brown. This book explores value investing principles and provides insight into how compound interest can be harnessed to build wealth through a value-oriented investment approach. The Richest Man Who Ever Lived. King Solomon's Secrets to Success, Wealth, and Happiness, by Stephen K. Scott. This book delves into the wisdom of King Solomon, including his principles for managing wealth and understanding the power of compound interest. The Wealthy Barber, by David Chilton. This book offers practical financial advice through the story of a barber who shares his financial wisdom with his customers. It touches on the importance of saving and investing early to benefit from compound interest. The Little Book of Big Dividends by Charles B. Carlson. Focusing on dividend investing. This book explores how reinvesting dividends and taking advantage of compound interest can lead to substantial wealth accumulation. These books provide valuable insights into the concept of compound interest and offer practical advice on how to leverage it to achieve financial goals. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, you can find valuable information and inspiration in these titles. In summary, compound interest is a financial phenomenon where the interest earned or paid on a sum of money is calculated not only on the initial principal but also on any interest that has already been earned or charged. It's a concept that underscores the importance of time in financial decisions, with the potential to make your money work for you or work against you, depending on your role as an investor or borrower. Understanding how compound interest works is vital for making informed financial choices and achieving your long-term financial goals.